In today's video, I'll teach you how to schedule a Grab car in advance. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you can see over here, Grab application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in the home interface, you'll be able to find various options like food, car, mart, express, ride later, etc. Out of these options, what you have to do is simply tap on this option car. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, what you have to do is enter the destination over here. Tap on the field of where to. Now you can see over here you'll be able to select the destination. You can search for the destination by simply tapping on this field, or you can also simply select the destination from your recent. Now once you do that, you'll also have to select the pickup location. For that, what you have to do is tap on the field of pickup at. Now after you do that, what you have to do is select the pickup location. Now once you do that, you'll be able to choose this pickup. Simply tap on this option, choose this pickup. Now you can see over here that particular pickup will be chosen. Now at bottom you'll be able to find two options over here. At bottom left corner of your screen you'll be able to find the calendar icon. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to do the advanced booking. Simply tap on this option, get started. Now you'll have to choose the date and time. First of all, select the date. Tap on the field of date. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the date over here. Tap on the date of your choice. Now tap on the OK option. Likewise, you'll also have to select the time. You can see over here, you'll be able to select the time. Simply select the time. First of all, select the hour. After that, select the minute. Now tap on the OK option. Now after you do that, tap on this option, book in advance, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, schedule standard, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to follow through other processes. Simply follow through all the processes that you normally do while booking the car. Now after you do that, confirm your booking and your booking will be done. Now your Grab car will be scheduled in advance. So that is how you schedule a Grab car in advance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.